BMW X5 for the Chinese market is setting out to build on its success story to date with the help of fresh design and an extensive technological update. Having already enjoyed considerable popularity in China since their initial launch, the two variants of the sports activity vehicle for the executive segment now have a greater appeal thanks mainly to their increased sense of visual presence, the upgraded BMW iDrive with QuickSelect, and their efficient electrified engines. The extra 130mm of wheelbase compared with the version of the BMW X5 available in other markets around the world means that passengers in the rear enjoy extremely generous legroom. The rear doors have likewise been widened, making it easier to get in and out. The launch of the models is due to get underway in September 2023. Tell me in the comments how do you like the new BMW X5 for Chinese market.